Question number 5. A train travels 90 miles in 1 5/10 hours. So we have 90 miles in 1.5 hours. How many miles will the train go in 6 hours if it continues to travel at the same rate of speed? So we have 6 hours, and we don't know how many miles. We can do a proportion of miles to hours, miles to hours. So we do 90 times 6. 6 times 0 is 0. 6 times 9 is 54. So then we have 540 divided by 1.5. So we're going to hop it over once. We're going to hop it over once. 15 can go into 54 3 times. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. I'm going to subtract. I'm going to get 9. It's going to go in there 6 times. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 3 is 9. And it's lastly going to go in there 0 times. So we're looking at 360 miles. Question number 6. If 3 tickets to a certain show cost $13.20, what would 7 tickets cost? So we have $13.20 for 3 tickets. I want to know what 7 tickets would cost. So we're going to do the cross product rule. 1320 times 7. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 3 is 21, plus 1 is 22. 7 times 1 is 7, plus 2 is 9. 1D plus 0D is 1D. We hop it over once. We get 92 4/10. Divide both sides by 3. So 92 4/10 divided by 3 goes in there 3 times. 0 times. And then it's going to go in there 8 times. So we're looking at $30.80. Okay, let's take a look at number 7. A recipe calls for 1½ cups of sugar for a 3-pound cake. So we have 1½ cups of sugar for a 3-pound cake. And if you want to be more specific, sugar cake. All right, how many cups of sugar would be used for a 5-pound cake? So we have a 5-pound cake, and we want to know how many cups of sugar. So we're going to do 1½ times 5. We can make it mad. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. So we have 3 halves. 5 times 3 is 15. 1 times 2 is 2. Can Tybo it out. Go in there 7 times. I get 7 1/2. Okay, then I'm going to divide 7 1/2 divided by 3. So 7 1/2 is actually 15 halves. So 15 1/2 divided by 3. We got to keep it, flip it, change it. So 15 halves times 1/3. Simplify the diagonal. I get 5 halves. 5 halves we can typo out. Go in there 2 times. We get 2 and 1/2 cups of sugar. Okay, let's take a look at the last one. A train travels 90 miles in 1.5 hours. How many miles will the train go in 4 hours when traveling at the same rate? So we're going to set up a proportion, miles to hours, miles to hours. We're going to do 90 times 4. 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 9 is 36. So we're going to do 360 divided by 1.5. So we're going to say 360 divided by 1.5. We got to make it mad. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. So we're going to keep it, flip it, change it. 360 over 1 times 2/3. We're going to simplify the diagonal. We're going to have 120 times 2. So 120 times 2, we got 0, 4, 240.